Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. There is an interview whereby Musa is trying to tell the world that there is another battle they are fighting again with the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, that they are now working hand in hand with the Finnish government to make sure they bring him to book. See, in this interview, there is a lot of reaction. But before I go deep, I want us to listen to what he said first, and I'll be right back.
Much, and that's why it's important for us to be able to follow up again the leadership, especially this Simon Ekpa that is in Finland, that is causing this a lot of problem by his comments. The federal government has taken that up with the Finnish government on the need to be able to curtail that, and then we're also following through the cyberspace to be able to address those issues. We are seeing people that are also sponsoring them. There are a lot of people that are sending funds to them. We are aware of that. We are profiling them at the right time. All of them will be picked. International organizations have, especially the US and the UN, are aware, and they are going after them. There are a lot of them in the US and Europe. They are contributing money to what is going on in that place, and so all of them will be both within the local area. So, like I said, it's basically acts of criminality.
In fact, this interview stole a lot of reactions, but I just want to pick one so we move further. This person said, I don't know why they are avoiding mentioning Biafra. What is criminality in the agitation? Ekpa said they are Biafra army. Why not address it that way and stop killing? Because if you notice what is happening right now, you will just imagine if the Biafra that Simon Ekpa is fighting for is different from the one the rest people are calling. Because the one we know that Mazina the Kanu is fighting for, if he's not fighting for the Biafra that Simon Ekpa is fighting for, why will the Nigeria government paske him and said he wants to divide the country? Why did they not say, his agitation is calm, is this, is that? Why are they after him? Because when we are saying some kind of things, we should also remember some things and some parts. Is the agitation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a calm one? If the agitation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a calm one, the way people are saying it, does that mean that the one that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting, that is a calm one, yet he was arrested? Can you add 1 + 1 together? So I really want us to also see something that is also surprising us again in Biafra land. This time around, they are not hiding it at all. They are doing it out. Because when they talk about this voting of 18, people thought it's just a joke, that it is a lie. But this thing is happening. I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to really listen, watch the video to the end, and drop your opinion. Ask yourself one question. Is this thing really happening in Nigeria? Is this thing really happening in Biafra land? Are these people are on ground doing this? And you will get the reply or the response. Drop it in the comment section and I'll be right back.
I'm not going to vote to. I'm going to vote to referendum now. Biafra is going. Anything I know, Biafra is going. Kind of life and direct, we are going. So only vote to, because we need it tomorrow. I will need vote to execute so. Let's go home and fix our place. I want to buy the mind. I am a man to Ekpa. Also a group, it's a neighbor. In that Captain Park, you go up. Also can the buy no. In gas springs, in gas tibocanes, also can the buy. Can they not know? I need to buy. No, but I got tired of work. I got 1 year. They are tired. Even my father in it. I don't know how to go that. Even if some people that this citizen have on airport, they mess them up with their citizenship. So because when you have a mother, if it's a plan, you know how to go over that, it's better for you. So it's only I know about that. Either they are not or they are not. 2021, they buy about that total 168. Also, more than that. Africa, but you feel now, no matter how messed up home is home. From there back, they got tired of us. Let's go home. What happened now? Let's go. The one that makes me go to Kaila to buy. I rest my things. Because there is some now. The man I have alone. I want to buy now. I'm going to have food. I'm going to not throwing you. I'm not going to have I'm not throwing you. So if I got to make it expire, I'm going to go. So Kaila did the best because I rest my things.
$100 and something people. If I do, man, I don't know you go to China. I don't do. Yes, I am.
This is more like a complaint. Communication? Yes, a communication.
How soon are you leaving? You can write a letter for transmitting this to the commission where you indicate against the complainant against the state of Nigeria. Complaint against.
Okay, so okay, just give me a few minutes maybe before you close.
Or the email, when read the email.
I will send the letter.
Yeah, do the email.
To the
Okay. Likewise, this will indicate as to what you have taken before the commission. Or the elected. Signed. With this one.
So we indicate but you know, this document contains more.
No, even though, even by looking at it like this, it becomes difficult for someone to understand what the rest is unless to go contrary. When you look at the letter, it tells you.
It's like a cover letter. Okay, cover letter. So getting that we have some
So, my beautiful family, you've heard for yourself. What is really your take about what is happening right now, from the cry of Musa to what they are about to do to the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, and the home-based awareness about this self-referendum? Please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section and do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst. I bring all the updates to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye-bye.